Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that often causes confusion in the digital realm: the difference between web design and web development. So, if you've ever found yourself scratching your head over these terms, you are in the right place. Stick around, and in the next few minutes, we'll clear up the distinctions between these two crucial aspects of creating a successful online presence. Let's kick things off by understanding the fundamental disparities between web design and web development. In a nutshell, web design focuses on the aesthetics and user experience of a website, while web development deals with the functionality and the technical aspects that bring that design to life. Web design is like the architect's blueprint. It's all about creating the visual elements that users see and interact with on a website. This includes the layout, color schemes, typography, and overall aesthetics. A good web designer ensures that the site is not only visually appealing but also user-friendly, providing an enjoyable experience for visitors. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, we have web development. Think of it as the construction crew. Web developers take the design and turn it into a functional website. They use programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to ensure that the website works seamlessly, incorporating interactive features, databases, and other technical functionalities. Here's where it gets interesting: web design and development often go hand in hand. It's a collaborative process where designers and developers work together to create a harmonious and effective website. The design sets the stage, and development brings it to life. An analogy to drive the point home: if web design is the visual appeal and layout of a house, web development is the plumbing, wiring, and structural integrity that makes the house functional and user-friendly. Both aspects are crucial for a successful online presence. A stunning design can capture attention, but without solid development, the user experience may fall short. On the flip side, robust development alone might not engage users if the design lacks visual appeal. It's the perfect marriage of both that creates an exceptional website. Before we wrap up, if you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about how to balance design and development for your website, we're here to help. Our team is offering free consultations to guide you through the process and tailor a solution that suits your unique needs. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your online presence. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation. Until next time, happy designing and developing.